Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Central C Doja. Is it called Doja or Doja? Wait, how you pronounce it? Doja? Alright. Directed by Bennett. Big up Bennett, the director. Big up Central C. We're gonna jump right into the one and find out what did Gia say, what did Gia do. Don't mind the steering wheel, guys. Don't mind the steering wheel. I was just playing some games and I see it, so I thought, why not just react to it quick and fast, you know? So, Doja, Central C, let's go.
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Hitman in the
First line. Oh, how can I be homophobic? There's no way. Come on, dog.
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Hitman in the top, try see a man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way.
Wait. What's about?
My bitch is gay. Hitman in the top, try see a man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day.
There's no time off for the trap. The trap is always gonna be running. Always gonna be running. 24 hours, 7 days a week. The trap will always be running, dog. Get that in your head, brother.
Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day.
Yeah.
Somebody told Doja Cat that I'm trying to indulge in that in my great trap.
Doja. Okay, so I was right. Okay.
The trap still running on Christmas Day. Somebody told Doja Cat that I'm trying to indulge in that in my great track suit. See the bulge in that, see the motion clap when you're throwing it back. These females planning on doing me wrong, so I'm grabbing a dome at the Trojan pack. Post a location after we're gone, can't slip and let them know where we're at. I don't know about you, but I value my life. Cause imagine I die. And I ain't made 100 M's yet. There's so much things I ain't done yet. Like fucking a flight attendant. I don't party, but I heard Cardi there.
That should be fairly easy for you, dog. Fuck a flight attendant. That should be fairly easy for you, my G. Come on, bro. Come on. That not hard for the fear, dog. Come on.
And I ain't made 100 M's yet. There's so much things I ain't done yet. Like fucking a flight attendant. I don't party, but I heard Cardi there, so fuck it, I might attend it. Gotta kick back sometimes and wonder how life would have been if I never did take them risks and would have I prospered. Floating and I won't go under. Been out of town for a month. Absence made the love grow fonder. UK rapper, UK drill. Gotta mention my name if you talk about the genre. Alright.
True. Right now, like UK rap or UK drill, you have to mention Central C name, because I'm do it, bro. He's doing it, like, definitely doing it. Who agree? He's doing it big right now. So, anytime Central C drops something, a fire. Like, come on, bro.
Been out of town for a month. Absence made the love grow fonder. UK rapper, UK drill. Gotta mention my name if you talk about the genre. Alright. How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Hitman in the top, try see a man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day. How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Hitman in the top, try see a man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day.
Yeah. Central again, man. Bennett, big up yourself. Yes, man. Yo, this big. Yo, this bad. Big up Central. Short reaction. As you know, big up Central. Big up Bennett, director. Yo, man say, yo, how can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. You know what that mean, dog? You know what that mean, brother? Like, YouTube done shadow ban me already, so I'm not ready to go too hard. Yeah, them shadow ban me. That's why, if you notice, like, when I post a video, you don't get the notification or anything. YouTube just dealing with kids. YouTube, I'm sorry once again. But anyway, this is what I'm going to leave the one. If you enjoyed the one, I want to see more from your G. Please leave a like on the video. Leave your suggestion of the videos that you want to see me react to. And I will definitely do that. Alright? I'll see you guys later. Beep, beep.